Good evening. This is how you're going to make a Gmail calendar event and invite. So what you're going to do is you're going to click your Gmail calendar, then you're going to click create event, add a title. I'm going to say basketball game versus JMU. Then we're going to set it for Thursday at 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. It's 9 p.m. Gonna add guest. We're just gonna add that's me. Add a location, JMU Gym, James Madison University. We'll just use that one. Add description. I'm gonna say clear bag policy. And then you can also set an attachment. Then you can also go to more options. You can set notification for how long, 30 minutes, 30 hours, 30 days. But yeah, so once that's done, you're going to click save and then send. Then once that is finished, you're all good.